Your day starts in a rush? You need to get out the door, but your wallet's missing. Thanks to ESR, it's just a tap away. Introducing the ESR Geo Wallet with Find My. The world's first wallet with a Find My tracker built in. No more adding bulky air tags. This 15mm slim wallet fits easily in your pocket or bag. Its embedded Find My chip saves you money as well. And you can say goodbye to those disposable batteries air tags use. Despite its slim profile, the Geo Wallet has plenty of space for all that you need. And make sure it stays safe. ESR Geo Wallet with Find My. Tech made easier.